Hi guys, welcome to one of the 2 videos for proper digestion. We'll start the exercise by lying on our back. Hold both your knees towards your chest and breathe while holding your knees. As you breathe in, belly expands and moves your knees away from you. As you breathe out, belly shrinks and your knees approach your chest. Don't try to force anything. Relax and allow your back to release. Keep on breathing, it is very important. Breathing in and out your belly sends rest and digest message to your brain. So focus on your belly breath. Well done. As you hold both your knees in gently, roll on your right side. Keep your knees together. Reach your arm up and open your chest and shoulder to your left for an efficient stretch. We'll stay here for 30 seconds. Allow your arm and shoulder to rest on the mat and keep on breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Curl up on your right side again when you're ready. And move to the center with your knees tucked in. Roll to your left side. Reach your arms up. Open your chest and rest your right arm to your right side. Keep on breathing. You'll notice that one side is more flexible than the other. That's okay. You are where you're meant to be, so enjoy it. Curl up on your left side, roll to the center and gently sit on the mat. Place your hands on your knees. Inhale as you gently raise your heart and chin, and exhale, tuck in your chin towards your chest. We'll repeat this for 60 seconds. Inhale to open your chest and belly. Exhale to close the chest and belly. I love this exercise as it is an exaggerated version of the belly breathing. Usually it helps visualize and engage a few parts of the body and brain, ensuring that you remember easier how you're meant to breathe. Great. Come back to the center and extend your legs. Bend your left knee and place the sole outside of your right shin. Place your left hand behind you and your right hand around your left knee. This is a great stretch. Remember to breathe throughout. Twists help massively the digestion function. Come back to the center and let's switch sides. Left leg goes long, right leg goes next to your left shin. Place your right hand behind you and your left hand around your knee. Breathe through the belly. It's beautiful. Feel the expansion and contraction through your belly. Last pose for today. Extend your legs and fall down, reaching your toes. Don't push yourself too hard, just as much as you can, and breathe through the pose. You'll notice that with every exhale, you're able to stretch deeper. This pose is considered one of the most important poses in yoga because you stretch the whole back line of the body. Breathe. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you soon.